Hi all, I'm Nusna Challa from NMIT OK. Today I'm going to explain you the remote desktop services. So this is the VMware what we have done, the practical network developed. It's a travel agency which is located in Christchurch and Nelson. Here you can see the structure of the VMware network we are using the different types of the servers and the clients and the routers that we have used for the entire design of the practical network development. Here you can see there are three servers. One is core server in Christchurch, one is main server in Christchurch, and one is RODC in Nelson. The RODC is read-only domain controller, which cannot perform any actions, but only it can just view the data, which is located in the branch office of Nelson. So this is for a travel agency. And coming today, what I want to teach you is, if the higher authority officer visits Nelson campus and he wants to have an access at Christchurch main server, which was an emergency action today in the main server. Since he is not available physically in the Christchurch, he can't log in directly to the main server in the Christchurch. He is in the Nelson and he is at RODC physical location and he wants to access the main server which is in Christchurch. This can be done by a feature known as remote desktop services. This is our read-only domain controller. This is our primary server, main server which is in Christchurch. And RODC is in Nelson. So here, go to main server and go to tools. So you can find the remote desktop services here. You will see remote desktop services already activated. So what I have done this is go to add roles and features, and if you select next, you can see here remote desktop services installation. You can select remote desktop services installation and click next. And next, I will restart your computer to activate remote desktop services. Once the remote desktop services has been activated, you can see on the left side, you see the remote desktop services. Then afterwards, if you are now at RODC, that is read-only domain controller, which is in Nelson, and you want to open your primary server or main server, which is in Christchurch, in this server. Okay, now go to Start. Down here, remote desktop. Here you can find remote desktop connection. Select it. So here, in order to get a remote connection onto the particular server, you need to type the IP of the particular server on which you want to perform the remote desktop. See here, I want to view the primary server which is in Christchurch from Nelson. So here, I've been typing 192.168.10.2, which is the IP address of the main server located in the Christchurch. Now click connect. It's asking password, which is very confidential, and we need to enter. After entering the credentials, click OK. So meanwhile, this particular remote desktop connection is being connected from the Nelson to the server in the Christchurch, which is very useful to perform any action remotely. So as it is being connected, this is only possible when you are being enabled the services of remote desktop connection in the main server which is located in the Christchurch. That is, you are giving an access to other servers to take the particular main server or any other server into remote. One thing you have to remember here is you need to give the IP address or else the domain name of the primary server to connect it to a remote desktop. This particular feature is very useful in case of emergency. See now, the remote desktop connection is activated and you can see the remote desktop connection. So this is 192.168.10.2 is our primary server, and this is so here you can see primary or main server can be viewed from the RODC server which is located in Nelson. You can view the server which is located in Christchurch. So here in this where we can access, we can go to the server in the Christchurch, we can go to tools, we can go to Active Directory users and computers. We can do the particular actions which are in emergency we need to perform in this particular business organization. There are several users here. So for any operation, even though the person is not located in a particular location, you can access the server from any location by this remote desktop services. Once you have done with this, you close the remote desktop connection. You can reconnect to this remote desktop session later by logging on again. So select OK. You can see that there is no remote desktop service connection now, and this is only RODC, this is read only domain controller. You can find it. So in this way, we can access any server from any location by activating the remote desktop services. Thank you for watching the video.